to join lobby, Xbox. 1. Check server status. Sometimes the issue is on Helldivers servers. Check official Arrowhead Games PlayStation Studios server status or look on Xbox status page. 2. Test Xbox network connection. Press Xbox button, Profile and System Settings, General, Network Settings. Select Test Network Connection. If errors, restart router and Xbox. #3. Fix NAT type. Open equals best. In network settings, check NAT type. If strict or moderate, restart router. Enable UPnP in router settings. If needed, port forward Helldivers Xbox Live ports TCP 5380 3074, UDP 5388 500 3074, 3544, 4500. 4. Clear alternate MAC address. Go to Settings, Network, Advanced Settings, Alternate MAC address, Clear, Restart console. 5. Restart multiplayer session. Close Helldivers completely. Relaunch the game, try hosting your own lobby first, then join others. 6. Check Xbox Live PSN account link. Since Helldivers uses crossplay, make sure your Xbox account is properly linked to PSN servers. Log out and back in once. 7. Power cycle console. Hold Xbox power button for 10 sec, unplug power cable for 1 min, plug back in, start again. 8. Reinstall as last resort. If nothing works, uninstall Helldivers. Reinstall fresh copy. Sometimes corrupted local data blocks matchmaking. After these steps, you should be able to join lobbies normally.